Look up at the night sky. The moon looks calm, silent, almost eternal. But there is something strange about the moon, a mystery scientists still cannot fully explain. We will reveal that secret at the very end. But first, let's begin. The moon is slowly moving away from Earth. Every year it drifts about 1.5 inches farther from our planet. It sounds tiny, but over millions of years this distance becomes enormous. Scientists measure this movement using special mirrors left on the moon by Apollo missions. Lasers from Earth bounce off those mirrors and reveal the moon's exact distance. Because of this slow movement, days on Earth are gradually becoming longer. Moon dust has a surprising smell. When Apollo astronauts returned to their spacecraft, lunar dust stuck to their suits. Inside the cabin, the dust warmed up, and astronauts noticed a strange smell. They described it as burned gunpowder. The dust particles are extremely sharp and fine. Without wind or water to smooth them, they remain jagged for millions of years. That unusual shape may explain the strange smell astronauts noticed. The moon experiences moonquakes. Yes, the moon actually shakes. Some moonquakes happen because of Earth's gravitational pull. Others occur when the moon slowly cools and its surface contracts. Unlike earthquakes on Earth, these vibrations can last much longer. Some moonquakes continue for hours. Scientists believe this happens because the moon's interior is very dry and rigid. Without water, the vibrations travel through the rock for a long time. The moon contains water. For decades, scientists believed the moon was completely dry. But modern missions discovered frozen water inside deep craters near the poles. These craters never receive sunlight. Temperatures there are incredibly low. In some places, they drop below -200 degrees Celsius. The ice may have come from ancient comets or water molecules trapped long ago. This discovery could help future astronauts explore and live on the moon. Footprints on the moon may last millions of years. There's no wind, no rain, no flowing water. So the footprints left by Apollo astronauts are still there today. Nothing naturally erases them. The moon has almost no atmosphere. Because of this, the surface changes extremely slowly. Those footprints may remain visible for millions of years. The moon is not perfectly round. Earth's gravity constantly pulls on it. This creates a slight bulge in the moon's shape. The moon is actually a little stretched toward Earth. This stretching helped lock the moon into its current position. Over time, the gravitational interaction slowed its rotation, and that leads to one of the moon's most fascinating behaviors. We only see one side of the moon. The moon rotates around its axis at almost the same speed it orbits Earth. This phenomenon is called tidal locking. Because of this, the same side always faces our planet. For thousands of years, humans never saw the far side of the moon. It remained completely unknown. Only in 1959 did a Soviet spacecraft photograph it for the first time. The far side looks very different from the side we see every night. The moon helps stabilize Earth's climate. Without it, Earth's axis could wobble dramatically. That wobble would cause extreme changes in climate. Seasons could become far more chaotic. Scientists believe the moon acts like a stabilizing weight. It keeps Earth's tilt relatively steady. Because of this stability, our planet has maintained a climate where life can thrive. In a sense, the moon quietly protects life on Earth. Scientists believe the moon formed after a giant cosmic collision. Billions of years ago, a Mars-sized object may have struck the young Earth. The impact sent enormous amounts of debris into space. That debris slowly gathered together. Over time, gravity pulled the fragments into a single body, and that body eventually became the moon. Many moon rocks contain minerals that are very similar to Earth's, which supports the idea that the moon formed from ancient Earth material. And now, the mystery we mentioned at the beginning. The moon might be far older than scientists once believed. New research suggests the moon could be more than 4.4 billion years old. That means it formed very soon after Earth itself. But some ancient lunar crystals reveal something surprising. They suggest the moon cooled and formed a solid crust extremely quickly, much faster than scientists expected. Researchers are still trying to understand how such a rapid transformation was possible. Even after decades of exploration, the moon still holds secrets. This is Informboom. Subscribe and stay curious, because the universe is full of incredible stories.